Hello friends, I am Hardeep Singh from Gati Group of Classes welcomes you on our YouTube channel. Guys, today we have a topic that is classed in CBSE Political Science, Federalism. This is the third video of Federalism and we have a subtopic that is decentralization in India. This is a very important topic, so please watch the video carefully. So guys, let's start. This is the last video for this chapter. So let's start without wasting any time. So here is the topic that is the decentralization in India. First of all, what does decentralization means? Decentralization means to share the powers among the local governments. So central government just decided to share their powers among local governments. So let's see powers which are taken away from the center and the state government and given to the local government. Local government such as village panchayat, municipal committees, municipal corporations, we can say. Advantages. Let's see that what are the advantages that decentralization has. Have better knowledge. If any type of problems are there with the local people, so large number of problems and issues which are best can be settled by the local level government, and they have the better knowledge of problems, that what are the problems are going to be happen in their localities. They also have the better ideas on where to spend money and how to manage the things more efficiently. Direct participation of the people, how the people those are in the villages, cities, they can direct participation in the political arena, like directly they can participate in the decision making. Local government is the best way to realize one important principle of democracy, that is self government. Now the next point is the reduction of the burden of the central government. Reduces the burden of the central or state governments. It's concentrate on matters of national as well as the state importance in a better way. Indian leaders, they just recognize the need of centralization, that we have to need a local government so that we can include the problems of the local people also, because center doesn't have that much of time that they can go one by one to everyone's house and they can ask for the problems that what are the people are facing. Next thing is panchayat in villages, municipalities in urban areas were set up in all the states. Earlier elections to these local governments that was not held regularly, but now the time it's regular after the same time. Local governments did not have any powers or resources of their own, but decentralization that has been started in 1992. At that time, state government is authorized to share their financial resources with the local government so they can run their things efficiently. The constitution was amended to make the third tier of the democracy more powerful and effective. First of all, the regular elections. Now it is constitutionally mandatory to hold regular elections of the local government bodies such as panchayat and municipal corporations. Next thing is the reservation of seats. Some seats that has been reserved in the elected bodies and executive heads of these institutions by the scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, backward classes, so they can also get the opportunity to bring on. At least one third of all the positions are reserved for women also. The reservation of seats has led to the women empowerment. First of all, we can learn this thing that the reservation of the seats for the women, that is only and only applicable in the local government, not in the Lok Sabha or the Rajya Sabha. State Election Commission. One more, that is a state election commission is responsible for the holding of an elections in the these local governments. Source of revenue. State governments are required to share some powers and even the revenue with the local government bodies to make their work effective. And the power sharing, the nature of the power sharing that varies from state to state, because it's not equal powers has been given to every local governments. So let's see that what are the local governments such as village panchayat, that is the smallest unit in the system of the local self-government in rural areas. And each village or group of villages in some states, they have the Gram Panchayat. This is a council consisting several ward members, often called Panch, Sarpanch, President, we can say over there. These are directly elected by all adult people, that we can say that universal adult franchise, like the age over than 18 or 18. So those can vote over there. Panchayat is the decision making body of entire village. The panchayat works under the overall supervision of Gram Sabha, we can say. So let's see that what is the Gram Panchayat, the village panchayat. Gram Panchayat, that is the small committees of 7 to 30 members who are elected by Gram Sabha. That we are going to see that what is happening over there. Seats are reserved, that we already know, for the scheduled caste, scheduled tribes. That is on the ratio of the population in the village area. What is the population over there and who is more than each other. Out of these, not less than one third are reserved for the women also. Next, there is the Gram Sabha, the village assembly. This is the bigger unit than the Gram Panchayat. Every village they has their own Gram Sabha. Every adult, male, female, whosoever is 18 years of upper age, they are the member of Gram Sabha. Gram Sabha must meet at least twice a year. It passes the annual budget and discuss the major problems of the village, that what are the problems and what are the sources that we can start from that village, and what are the good things that we can do and the social welfare. So these all things can be over here. The members of the Gram Sabha elect Gram Panchayat through a secret ballot system. Gram Sabha's membership varies from 100 to thousands. That is depending on the size of the village. Like Gram Panchayat, they were having 7 to 13 members, and Gram Sabha, they are having 100 to 1000 members, we can say. Zila Parishad, this is the next tier and the highest tier. Institution of Panchayati Raj in rural areas, Parishad. Okay. Zila Parishad coordinates the activities of all block samitis in the whole district, that whatever the things that is going on in the block samitis. What is the block samiti? That is the second tier of the Panchayati Raj. This is the higher one and this is the lower one. Block Samiti, that is the second tier of Panchayati Raj, and it is known as Khand Samiti, Panchayat Samiti, and Pradesh Samiti in different states, because it can be like we can say that it's depend on the everyone's language. And the members of the block samiti are indirectly elected. Sarpanch, Panch of the village panchayat, within a block, they elect their representative of the block samiti, that who are going to represent us in that block samiti. So guys, here is the topic that we have been covered, and we have been completed our this chapter. And if you like the video, then please hit the like button, as well as share it among your friends and your classmates. And if you are a new one, then please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so you can get all the updates on time. Thank you very much, guys. Bye bye, everyone.